Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your vein water bug is not turning on when you need it, water removal can quickly become a concern, especially during flooding situations or unexpected water accumulation. A vein water bug may fail to start for several reasons, including power supply issues, float related problems, blocked components, or temporary operating conditions. The best part is that many startup issues can be investigated with a few simple checks before assuming the pump has failed. In this video, I'll walk you through several troubleshooting steps that may help get your rainwater bug running again. Try these. Step 1. Check for power at the rain water bug outlet. Step 2. Inspect the power cord on the rain water bug. Step 3. Look for blockages around the rain water bug intake area. Step 4. Verify the rain water bug is positioned correctly. Step 5. Remove debris affecting the rain water bug operation. Step 6. Test the rainwater bug after the inspection.